The Speakers Practice is proud to offer the Presentation Skills Workshop, the Speakers Training Camp. Wouldn't it be great if you could significantly reduce your level of nervousness? Give a dynamic presentation while keeping your audience captivated. Cut your preparation time in half. Instead of taking hours and hours in preparation, you'll have a format that gives a great structure that's easy to follow. And wouldn't it be great to communicate your message with real confidence? The Speakers Training Camp is the fastest, easiest way to develop presentation skills. There is 75% active participation, and it is designed for business presentations and workplace training. It's really amazing the difference that is made by just spending 2 days at the Speakers Training Camp. Become more dynamic, really reduce nervousness, have a great structure to work with, and have incredible confidence to get your message across. This is what you'll get from attending the Speakers Training Camp and much, much more. It would be great to discuss this with you. Give me a call to see how our program can assist.